The construction industry is evolving, and digital technology is at the forefront of this transformation. Consultants of Genesis have noticed that digital tools like Building Information Modeling (BIM) allow architects and engineers to create detailed 3D models of buildings, reducing design errors by up to 80% and saving up to 30% in construction costs. Drones and other aerial imaging technologies are being used to survey construction sites, reducing the time and cost associated with traditional surveying methods by up to 95%. Exoskeletons and other wearable technologies are helping workers lift heavy objects and reduce injuries on the job, with studies showing up to a 50% reduction in physical exertion for workers. VR technology is being used to simulate construction sites, allowing workers to train in a safe and controlled environment, leading to a 72% improvement in task performance and a 35% reduction in training time. The construction industry is embracing digital technology, improving productivity and efficiency on the job site, and creating safer work environments for everyone involved. If your construction company is falling behind, connect with Genesis to see how we can help you get ahead of your competition.